Hello, boys and girls. The Chinese teachers at eChineseLearning often encounter the age-old problem relating to who and may. When the teacher asks certain questions to which the answer could be no, many non-Chinese native students would use the wrong negation word to answer. Did you meet the same difficulty before? Today, let's learn how to distinguish and use them correctly via quizzes. Try the following quizzes first.
1. 周末你去动物园了吗 ？A. 不，我没去。是的，我去了。B. 没有动物园。有动物园。Okay, tell me which one is the right answer. 2. 我生病了，所以明天我去学校了。A. 没有。B. 不。It's your turn. Which one is the right answer for this question? Now, let us see the analysis together. 1. First of all, let's analyze question 1 and the grammar points used for the question. The main grammar point can be broken down as follows. In order to answer this question, you should first answer yes, no, or 是不是. If the answer is no, then you should use the structure subject plus 没有 plus verb plus object to complete the sentence. In this case, the grammatically correct answer would be A. The answer could either be 不，我没去 No, I didn't go. 是的，我去了 Yes, I went. Of course, in this short lesson, we are focusing on the negative. Below are two more sentences which reinforce this grammar point. Question. 上个星期你去电影院了吗 Did you go to the cinema last week? Answer. 不，我没去电影院 No, I didn't go to the cinema. Question. 去年你去中国了吗 Did you go to China last year? Answer. 不，我没去中国 No, I didn't go to China. 2. Now, let's analyze the second sentence and the grammar points used. The main grammar point from this question can be broken down as follows. The difference between 不 and 没有. Difference 1. 不 often indicates a subjective wish, while 没有 may indicates an objective situation. In this situation, because I'm sick, I can't go to school. It's my choice. This is subjective. Difference 2. 不 has no time limit, whereas 没有 may can be used in the future tense because 明天 tomorrow is a future marker. 不 would have to be used in this answer. Below are two more sentences, question and answer, which reinforce this grammar point. 下个星期二，我的哥哥回家，所以我不出去玩。 Next Thursday, my older brother comes home, so I won't go out to play. 明年我搬到中国，所以我不参加你的毕业典礼。Next year, I will move to China, so I won't attend your graduation ceremony.
Did you learn this properly? Feel free to leave us a message to let us know which aspects you didn't understand. And one of our teachers will provide a professional explanation for you.